This build is the result of having tried and not succeeded a few times previously. I made some adjustments, tried anything to get inspiration, and then finally landed on what I think is a nice design. Having recently put up a survey question on my channel, it looks like over half of you prefer to follow plans when building your projects, and the rest of you like to wing it as you build. Well, I have something for both of you. For the plans fans, I put a link in the description to my Etsy shop for this tree and star on top. For you wingers, watch the build and get some inspiration, some ideas of something you could come up with. Oh, and there's a third category of you, those who just like to watch stuff being built. I got you covered too. Enjoy the video, and I hope you all have a happy and safe holiday season.